Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Spartan hair shampoo subscription. Okay, so by mistake if you have placed any order and if you have chosen like subscribe and save option, so you will notice like they will activate subscription on your account. So basically after taking subscription on their platform, so how you can cancel it? So you need to visit on their official website. So first of all you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website, at the very bottom side there is an option like manage subscription. You can select this option and now it will redirect you on this screen. You need to enter your email address, which is your registered email address. You need to hit send subscription login link. Okay, and once you get link on your email, you can log in into your account, you can log in into your subscription page, and you can cancel your subscription. This is the only option to cancel your subscription by using online. If this method will not work for you, so in this case what you can do, you can contact your credit card provider, and you can call customer support team of your credit card provider, and once you get connected you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your unwanted subscription like Spartan subscription. Only they can remove subscription. There is no other method to cancel your subscription. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.